Today we are going to take your preliminary sketch for your first floor plan and start inputting it into Revit. On our home page, we are going to go to First Floor Plan, the heart of the home. Again, I want to remind you, if you have not completed your preliminary sketches, those need to be done. These are going to be the new assignments for today. We're going to go through the first floor plans. You will have Lesson 5 review questions and a Revit tips for beginners. The objectives of this particular unit are the project setup, exterior walls, interior walls, doors, openings, and windows. You are to read Chapter 5 in your book. I have a note here under Learning Material that on this course homepage you will see a tab that says Revit Videos. These are short videos on different areas of the Revit software by the textbook publisher. If you ever need additional help with a command or a process, you can watch the video on that subject. These are just additional resources to assist you in this course. Again, they're very short, so they might help you if you're struggling on a particular area. So what we're going to cover today is we're going to cover project setup, how to use the project template, and make sure you use the correct one. If you don't, you will be sorry. We'll talk about that more in a little bit. Content location. As you're downloading components, things from other sites, you're going to want to make sure and have a folder where you're keeping your residence. That way, if you move from computer to virtual desktop, places like that, everything is saved in the right location, and then you won't have problems with losing things that go to your file. Things of content that we're going to be getting into: walls, floors, ceilings, roofs, curtain walls, curtain panels, mullion profiles, and many more components. And I will show you where these are all located. Annotation. We're going to learn how to set up tags onto your plan. It does me no good if you turn in your plan and it does not tell me what the rooms are. So that's very important. I'm also going to show you at some point how to do views, schedules, and sheets. And then we'll spend a lot of time talking about Revit families. Then we are going to look at your exterior walls, your interior walls, doors, openings, and windows. Those are all important components. You should go back and read this page because there may be information here that I do not cover. Once you do that, then we will go into the first floor plan assignment, and that will be on our next video.